Hi, let's discuss on the topic of mensuration exercise 13.5. Here we are going to look on the volume, that is the volume of cuboid of length L, breadth B and height H. So the volume can be given as L into B into H. This is the volume of cuboid. Now the volume of cube of side A is A cube. So this is the volume of cuboid, and this is the volume of cube. And the unit for volume is always cubic units. Moving on to exercise 13.5, problem number 1. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes? So given is 4 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. Now the volume of matchbox is equal to 4 into 2.5 into 1.5, which is equal to 15 centimeter cube. Now what is asked? The volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes is equal to 15 into 12, which is equal to 180 centimeter cube. Question number 2. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? Capacity of the tank is equal to 6 into 5 into 4.5, which is equal to 135 meter cube. Therefore, the volume of water it can hold is equal to the same 135 meter cube. So we need in liters. So converting cubic meter into liters, 135 into 1000, which gives 135,000 liters. Problem number 3. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of a liquid? Let the height of cubical vessel be h meters. Now the length is 10 meters, breadth is 8 meters. Capacity of cuboidal vessel is 380 meter cube. Now L into B into H is 380. So 10 into substituting the values, H will be 380 by 10 into 8, which comes to around 4.75 meters. So H is 4.75 meter. Problem number 4. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter square. Length is 8 meter, breadth is 6 meters and height is 3 meters. Now volume of the cuboidal pit is L into B into H, which is equal to 8 into 6 into 3, which is equal to 144 meter cube. Therefore, the cost of digging the cuboidal pit at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube will be 144 into 30, which is equal to rupees 4320. Problem number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Here length is 2.5 meter, height is 10 meters and capacity is 50,000 liters, which is equal to, converting liters into meter cube, we have to divide. So, volume will be equal to 50,000 divided by 1000, which will become 50 meter cube. Now, the volume LBH is equal to 50, H is equal to, that is substituting the values, 2.5 into B into H value is 10, it is equal to 50. So, B is equal to 50 by 25, 2.5 into 10. Now B is equal to 2 meters. So, therefore, the breadth of the cuboidal tank is 2 meters. Problem number 6. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? Here, the requirement of water per head per day is 150 liters. So, the requirement of water for total population in the village per day will be 150 into 4,000 liters, which is equal to 60 lakh liters. Converting into meter cube divided by 1000, which comes to 600 meter cube. Now, for tank, the length is 20 meters, the breadth is 15 meters, the height is 6 meters. Capacity of the tank is equal to 20 into 15 into 6, which is equal to 1800 meter cube. Now, number of days for which the water of this tank will last is nothing but the whole capacity of the tank divided by the requirement of water for total population in the village per day, which is equal to what we have found out, 1800 by 600, which is equal to 3. Hence, the water of this tank will last for 3 days. Question 7. Godown measures for 40 meter by 25 meter by 15 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden craters, each measuring 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter by 0.5 meter, that can be stored in the godown. Now the length is equal to 40 meter, breadth is 25 meter, height is 15 meters. Now this is for the godown. Here the capacity of the godown is L into B into H, which is 40 into 25 into 15 meter cube. It is equal to 15,000 meter cube. Now for a wooden crate, length is 1.5, breadth is 2.5, height is 0.5 meter. Therefore, the capacity of a wooden crate is L into B into H. It is nothing but 1.5 into 2.5 into 0.5. It is equal to 0.9375 meter cube. Now we have 15,000 divided by 9375, what we found out, which comes to 16,000. So hence the maximum number of wooden crates that can be stored in the godown is 16,000. Question number 8. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface area. Side of a solid cube A is 12 centimeter. Therefore, volume of the solid cube is A cube, which is equal to 12 cube. This is nothing but 12 into 12 into 12, which comes to 1728 centimeter cube. Now it is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. Therefore, volume of a new cube is 1728 by 8, which is equal to 216 centimeter cube. Let the side of the new cube be x centimeter, then the volume of new cube is x cube centimeter cube. According to the question what is asked, we'll have it like this: x cube will be equal to 216, that is what is asked. So the x we need to find, just nothing but 216 1 by 3. When a cube comes to the other side of the equation, it becomes 1 by 3, which is nothing but we can write 216 as 6 into 6 into 6, the whole power 1 by 2. The x equal to 6 centimeter. Hence, the side of the new cube will be 6 centimeter. The surface area of original cube is 6a square, which is equal to 6 into 12 square, that is 6 into 12 square area, so it is centimeter square, which is surface area of new cube is equal to 6x square, is equal to 6 into 6 square centimeter square. Now the ratio between their surface areas is surface area of original cube by surface area of the new cube, which is equal to 6 into 12 square by 6 into 6 square, which comes to 4 by 1, which can be written as 4:1. Now the ratio is 4:1. Moving on to problem number 9. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? So in 1 hour, 2 kilometers, which it is in kilometers, so we will convert it into meters. So 2 into 1000 meters, which is 2000 meters. Now B is equal to 40 meter and height is equal to 3 meters is given. So water that fell into the sea in 1 hour should be calculated is LBH, which is nothing but 2000 into 40 into 3. This is in meter cube. Now therefore we'll have it as such, the water that fell into the sea we have to calculate in a minute. It is equal to 2000 into 40 into 3 by 60 meter cube, which comes to 4000 meter cube. Hence 4000 meter cube of water will fall into the sea in a minute.